It's way too early for bedtime, and I can't go to sleep until I've done my bedtime routine.
Just remind me again, what is your bedtime routine?
First, Maddie puts on her pyjamas, then she drinks a glass of water and brushes her teeth.
No! First, I wash the giraffe, then I take the sofa out for a walk.
Ah, now I know you're having me on. Surely it's the giraffe you take for a walk and not the sofa.
Then I invite all the snails from the garden to a really slow disco.
Huh? That's not right.
Yes, Triggs. A snail disco is for birthdays only.
Oh, good point, Uncle George.
What else do you usually do before bedtime?
We bring all our bedding from the bedroom into the living room and play the floor is lava.
Oh, I love that game. Hurry, get all the cushions and the duvet and the pillows.
Aha! Don't touch the floor, anyone. It's hot lava. But the deal is, whatever we do, we have to tidy up afterwards.
Okay, done. Watch your step, the floor is hot. There's lava all around. Hop from pillow, book to chair.
We can't touch the...
We can't touch the ground. We have our super toys. Help is on the way. This is the best night ever. Best night ever. We'll rescue all the toys. We're gonna save the day. This is the best night ever. Best night ever. Whoa! That was so fun. I love that game.
Oh, me too.
Me three? Maddie,
Yes, Triggs.
where's my teddy?
I don't know, Triggs. Also, I should probably clean my teeth now. But where did I leave my toothbrush?
I'll help you find Teddy, Triggs. And your toothbrush, Maddie. I'll just look under the... Ow! Oh! A wooden building block? What's that doing there? Actually, everything is all over the place. This house is a mess. And... your mum and dad are going to be home soon. We have to tidy up.
Quick, put the pillows back. Toys and blankets too. This is the best night ever. Best night ever. Hang the picture on the wall. Dishes still need cleaning too. This is the best night ever. Best night ever. I have to brush my teeth.